So the other day, somebody had stopped and was leaning over an animal, so I stopped. And it was this guy. Hi. And he had probably just been thumped on the head with a car or something, and he was kind of out of it. And so I brought him home so I could get him neutered. Hi. And find him a home, and he got out of the laundry room and is hidden from me for 3 days. And I just found him underneath a couch, and he was jumping and spitting and hissing, and I gathered him up, and look at this little fella. Say, I need a home now. You tell him. Okay, if you have a good home available, I'm going to get this boy neutered. And please let me know, because I cannot have another cat. Okay. Look at the camera. Pretty boy.